I have another very interesting question for you. Why regular updates and maintenance are critical for your mobile application? Now, in the past 5 years, I can't even tell you how many times I had to update some of our mobile applications. Now, the major changes happen to these stores, both the App Store and the Play Store. Now, each time a new change have happened, what these app stores wants you to do is to be compatible with that change. And each time that change is made public, developers are required to make a new update. Now, that's just one of the reasons why you should consider updating your application constantly. The other reason is you want to make sure that you clear all the bugs that you receive. Now, I don't know if you have ever used some of these tracking tools that we use, which lets us know each time a user faced an issue in your mobile application. And there's no such thing as a perfect mobile application. There would always be small bugs that you would need to consistently fix throughout your time. Now, as long as your application is in these stores, I recommend having your application updated at least once a month with some new additions or bug fixes. It is very crucial because one reason is that it lets the user know that you are consistently updating the app and trying to make the app work even better. The second thing is it lets the stores know that you're committed to these applications and you haven't really abandoned the applications. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure that you keep your applications up to date so that they work perfectly the way you want them to work. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'll make sure to read your comments and reply to your comments as well if I can. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.